Guys, I have a confession to make. I have not been working on my Shopify store. No, like for real. I only work around 3 to 5 hours a week on my Shopify store, but it's still generating over $1,000 a day with little to no work. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how I got there and how you can do the same thing with your brand. But first, let's talk about the profits. As you can see, over the last 30 days, except for this day, my business has generated over $1,000 in sales consistently. And the profit is decent as well. Some days we jump up to $800 in profit, whereas other days we drop down to $100. But pretty much every day we're making $100 to $500 in profit consistently. Now, I believe there are 3 main factors that contribute to this level of consistency. So let's break down the first one. I've been working on this business for almost 2 years now, and it's taken me a while to get to this level, but I'm very confident that you can do it too as long as you follow these tips. The first factor in seeing consistent passive results on your Shopify store is ranking on Google. Now, it's easier said than done, and this does take a little bit of time, but here are some things that I've done to significantly speed up the process of getting my brand ranked #1. The first and easiest thing you can do is hire an SEO expert to optimize your website. This is a one and done type of job. They go into the back end of your website, they optimize and fix everything so that Google's algorithm picks it up and ranks it properly. It's pretty cheap and extremely worth it even at the beginning stages of your business. The second thing I did is paying small blogs to do a review of my product. When someone reviews your product on a blog, it creates what's called a backlink. Backlinks boost the authority of your brand name on Google, making it much more likely for Google to recommend your website when people search for it. Now, before you do this, make sure the quality of your product is actually good, because otherwise...
I'm feeling a strong 1 to a light 2 on this thing.
The second factor in seeing consistent results is running ads on multiple platforms. The goal at the beginning should be to lock in and master one platform, but as you learn and scale on this platform, you should expand to others. These days, for a beginner, I would suggest starting with TikTok ads. It's booming right now, and there is a massive amount of opportunity. Currently, on my store, I run Facebook, Google, and TikTok ads. Though most of my sales are coming from Facebook and Google because I've been running my product there for almost 2 years and it's pretty optimized. I'm still experimenting with TikTok and I haven't really been able to scale yet. But to be honest, I'm gonna blame that on my own laziness. But maybe. Anyways, my structure for Facebook ads is as simple as it gets, and I think that's why I see consistent results every day. I'm pretty much only running one campaign with one ad set targeting the broadest interest from my product with 3 ad creatives inside of there. The main thing I focus on is the creative and the marketing angle itself, because that's what Facebook really wants these days. Yes, interest targeting is important and it still works, but people get far too hung up on it, and these days I barely even focus on it. Of course, in the testing phase, the targeting is extremely important, but once you find what works, you don't really have to test that too much more. The main thing to test is the ad, the marketing angle, and the copy that you use to sell your product. The key to having success with any ad platform is finding a great product, study the ads that are successful for that product, and try to make something that is on par or better than what's out there. That is the ultimate challenge, and if you can do that, everything else comes pretty easily. But the real consistency is coming from Google Ads. I'm running search campaigns for my brand name, my competitor's name, and all the terms related to my product. What this means is every time somebody searches something related to our product, we are the first ones to pop up. And we're leveraging Google's retargeting feature, which is extremely powerful. Basically, if you visit my website one time, you're gonna see the product forever until you buy it. The combination of these things allows me to have a consistent stream of buyers every single day without doing that much work. Of course, I put a lot of work in up front, but these days it's pretty passive. But there's one final thing that's more important than all of this. But first, I have a very special announcement. I've been wanting a place to connect with you guys and share more of the lessons I've been learning along my journey. So I decided to create a free Discord server. The goal is to build the ultimate community for anybody looking to start their own online store, from beginners to 8-figure entrepreneurs. And also, my team and I are gonna be active in there every single day to help you out as much as we can and share exclusive insights that you can't find anywhere else. This Sunday, I'll be doing a live Q&A call with a bunch of giveaways inside that Discord, so click the link down below to join and I'll see you on the inside. This last thing is honestly the #1 mistake I see dropshippers make. There are so many people out here chasing the bag, but absolutely neglecting their customers. And man. It ain't gonna work. If you wanna see consistent results, you cannot be out here selling garbage quality products with 3-month shipping times. And I know what you might be thinking.
Jordan, if I'm dropshipping from AliExpress, how could I possibly avoid this?
Well, it's pretty simple. First, make sure to do an extreme amount of research on your supplier and your product. Make sure there's a lot of real positive feedback about the product on the AliExpress reviews. A lot of these suppliers are gonna fake the reviews, so the easiest way to tell is making sure that there are a lot of photo reviews and they look like they're from real people. Then you wanna go to the supplier's page, look at how long they've been in business, look at how many transactions they've done, and maybe even shoot them a message just to make sure that they're actually legit. Just from taking these 2 steps, you can save yourself from a massive amount of chargebacks. Next, you should try to find the exact same product on Amazon and order that thing so you could try it for yourself. Seriously though, try to find the same one. Usually the easiest way to tell is if it has the same images as the one on AliExpress. You should also order one directly from your supplier using the fastest shipping method so you can see what their packaging is like and make sure theirs is decent quality as well. Not only will this allow you to test the product quality, but now you have a product that you can film and create your own content with, which is gonna set you so far apart from your competition. And once you start getting sales consistently, you can take things to the next level with an agent. An agent is somebody in China who has direct connections to the best manufacturers and fastest shipping lines to help you negotiate the price of your product, improve the quality, and get much faster shipping. One of the best agents I've used on my store is named David, and I'll put his information down below. His job is to help you get the highest quality product at the best price with the fastest shipping. And because I focused on this, I've been able to tap into the ultimate marketing method: word of mouth. And this means that even if we're not running any ads at all, we still have customers coming in and coming back to buy more products again. And by the way, this makes your business much more valuable for anybody who wants to buy it in the future. If we look at a breakdown of the last month, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. If you look at how the traffic is broken up, you can see that the majority of it is coming from direct and search traffic. What this means is that the majority of our customers are not coming from ads. This has been my #1 goal since starting this brand, and I want to continue to take this to higher levels. And finally, the thing that holds it all together is my team. Currently, I have 3 employees: a manager, a customer service rep, and a marketing manager. Without them, this business would have collapsed by now, and every day I am super thankful for each of them. And I know y'all are watching this video, so shout out to you guys. In the beginning, you're pretty much gonna be handling the customer service and the operations yourself, but as you grow, it is extremely important to find somebody to help you out with that. There are many people that possess the skills to manage this, so it's not hard to find somebody, but training them and finding the right person that you trust will take a little bit of time. I would suggest that you wait to hire somebody until your business is consistently making profits every single day, but don't wait too long because you want to make sure you're using your time as effectively as possible. To find employees, you can post a job listing on Upwork, you can use e-commerce Facebook groups, or even use my Discord. I'm sure there'll be people in there that are hungry, looking for opportunities, and they understand the game of e-commerce, so I think that's a good place. As a matter of fact, my best employee so far, I found them inside of a Facebook group, and a Discord is kind of the same thing. And at this point, my role is to make the best ad creatives, lead the team, and focus on innovating and improving the product as much as possible. Everything else is pretty much in the hands of my team. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to click the link down below to join the Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Everybody rock with me because I'm up now. Took your girl and I'm scoring like I made the touchdown.